Hello! Today we have a special video. We're going to show you how to make crab legs and how to eat them. But not only that, we have crab trivia. So enjoy the show. Thanks for watching. Time for trivia. All right, first question. What happens to a crab if it loses its claw? Does it A, become one with the sea, B, wait for another to grow back, or C, yank one off of another crab? The answer is B, waits for another one to grow back. Question 2. What is a group of crabs called? Is it A, a cast, B, a school, or C, a pinch? And the answer is A, a cast. All right, last question. How many legs does a crab have? Is it A, 8 legs, B, 6 legs, or C, 10 legs? The answer is C, 10 legs. That one was a surprise to me. I didn't know that about crabs. How'd you do? Did anyone get 3 out of 3 correct? Let us know in the comments. Oh, and before you go, remember to like and hype the video if the hype feature's available. Thanks for watching. Bye!